Hi friends, I'm Tarak, you're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to create a strike-through text effect on your Microsoft Excel on your PC. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to strike through the text in your Microsoft Excel web, I just going to show in this video. So first of all, we can just type something here. So about strike. Okay, I just typed as a strike word here. Okay, so I just want to have a strike-through effect in this text. So select the text first, and you will see an option in the home section in the front option. So this is called strike-through. Just click on this, which will be strike the text. So I just need to remove the strike from the word. So select the word inside the select cell like this, and you will have this pop-up here itself. Otherwise, you just click on this, so which will remove the strike here. So it will also appear for space too. If you just want to remove the space strike also, just click this, and you can see now it's working on the strike only. So this is how you just make a strike through option on your Microsoft Excel web on your computer web. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel. We will meet on next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.